Do you need some help, buddy? You good?
Yeah. Mega Bowser robot. Yogi, let's go back to the start. I know what we're going to do.
I'm going to defeat Mega Bowser.
Mega Bowser is in the front, not there.
Hey.
Hi, Ruth.
Yogi, I'm gonna watch
Yes.
me the whole time I do this course. Okay? Yogi, look at
I'm watching.
me.
We gotta go back home. I'm going. Even though I have to run over miles, I'm going.
That's
Come back home, dude.
Hey, Yogi. You having fun?
Yeah.
Good.
I have to defeat.
You do? You want to help up, Ruth? Oh, you did it! You did it! Good job, Ruth.
What?
Ruth made it up. You having fun, bud?
Yeah. Cary, your health is low. Come back.
I'm gonna get some pictures of you. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Cary, your health is low. Come back.
Hello, family.
Hello.
Hello.
Gadget Nick.
Gadget me. New gadget.
Where'd you get that?
On the internet.
Right, everybody, it's time to start the show. Grab something to eat and get ready to go. The tractor's running and the bombs at the field. This wagon ride's rolling.
And on the wagon ride.
You guys are cute. What do we do about the corn bandit? I have no idea. You have no idea.
Now don't y'all tell her I was here. Especially you. You look like a chatty.
Is he gonna take all the corn, do you think?
The incredibly handsome corn bandit. Why, it's that, isn't it? Well, you see, it all started a few times. My grandfather, you never had enough food to feed the family. So I stepped up to the plate. And I'd come down to these here fields and pick cob after cob of that sweet, delicious corn. All the corn was half the cup. I gotta wait for it too.
Till now, drop the cobs.
Okay, I do little Lucy.
My name is Mel May.
Yeah, I'd stick a little missing if I was you.
Watch this. But with our corn, this town is just like a cob without kernels.
Oh, there you go again, making me feel all guilty. Guess I could lend you one measly cob. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8,
9,
10.
11, but that's not found.
I think she's tricking the corn bandit.
I mean, did you even take a little? You just kept counting up.
No, wait a minute now. You think I know how to count? I went to law school.
Well, since we're clearly friends now, did you tell me your real name?
Well, look, most people just call me Esteban
Yeah, I'd probably just stick with the corn bandit if I were you. Well, folks, that's the mystery solved. It's time for y'all to skedaddle on out of here. Continue on with your journey.
Unless y'all got any corn. Because I can take that.
Bye.
We're gonna go to the spook castle.
So we.
They're gonna go to the spook castle.
This,
You can see the zombies really good.
There was a farmer had a dog, and Bingo was his name.
It'd be creepier at Oh, are you there? Hey guys, it's raining. Yogi, Cary, it's raining. We're heading back for a second.
Yogi and Cary, come out.
Get there.
Oh, sorry, I didn't think you were so close. I'm sorry for yelling.
It's wet.
I think the
Rain, rain, go away.
Of course, it may be okay now. Cary, stop. Ruth, stop.
You want to go with them because you're faster and keep
Okay.
good at directions?
Oh, I don't know how I'm good at directions, but no, no. I'm good.
All right, that's good listening, guys.
Look how nice it is in here. Where are we
An
going?
adult's going to go with the boys.
All right, adult's going with the boys. Who's that adult? Is that me?
There, you'll still end up here when you go. All right. Hey, I know my way around it. Which way are we going? Which way? That candy. This is the way to the kitchen. Let's run. No. Oh, yeah. There's some corn. Oh, yeah, right. Some corn bits have been left over by the corn thief. Oh, there's some more. The corn thief keeps coming in. Oh, you're amazing. Keeps stealing all this corn. And then a wheat there. Candy. Oh, there's some more, but then there's some rabbits. Nice.
Where are we headed, guys?
Corny's watering this corn. And then we get to see a cow.
Oh, we're at the hay. They've let us right here.
See a cow. Yogi. Then let's go. I know there's another sign. I just know there's a sign. Yogi, over here there's a sign. Let's go down and find the sign.
Wait, we just got up here.
There's a sign.
Where's the sign?
No, Cary, the candy's over that
Here,
way.
come in here.
Spider?
We're gonna have to go find that
I
spider.
don't see it, but I know it's over. Hi, guys. Okay, let's go. Let's go find.
Hold on. I'm going to be up here for a second. There's Uncle Sean and Uncle Shay.
Yeah,
Stay here.
kind of neat, eh?
We're going.
Okay, guys. No, wait for us at the bottom.
Come on, me.
Oh, yeah. Hey. Cary, don't go, because our parents are waiting at the bottom, okay?
It'd really be good if we leave that lens. Probably not gonna see much.
Hi, guys.
You don't need to worry about that.
Then we won't find the candy. The candy's not this way.
Stop.
This way. I never got the sign. I never find it. Oh, I found
Okay.
some corn.
All right.
Hey, that's like, it's Corny's grandfather. Found another sign.
Good job.
That's just another. There's some more. Candy going this way.
They're fast. Yogi
Over
sneezing?
here.
Is that you sneezing, Yogi? Did you sneeze? Do you need a Kleenex? Yogi? You need a Kleenex?
No, that wasn't me sneezing.
Oh, okay.
That wasn't me.
Got me thoroughly lost now in this maze.
Oh, yeah.
At least we know which way to go, generally. I love you, lady. I like that we do this every year. It's kind of fun.
Thank you, Cary.
I think this is the farthest I've ever gone in this corn maze.
Actually, I'm gonna stay with it here.
Well, we're right here, sweetie. We've got our eye on you. So, and if you're going too fast, we'll just say, stop, I can't see you.
Yogi, now. Wait, no, this is not a dead end.
Yeah, I think it is a dead end.
It's corn drumming.
I don't think that's a
It
path.
is a
bud.
corn maze.
Is this the dead end?
Yep. Nope, it isn't.
Oh, it's a sign. What's the sign say?
It
Corn drummer.
Corn drummer. Let's go back. I really want to find the candy corn. You'll see what I mean by candy corn when you see it. Or
Oh, look who it is.
Hey!
I think we're going. No, that's where we went.
Ruth, stop. Come back here, please.
Ruth, we're gonna check with we're down here.
Come on.
Come, this way.
Cute.
Hey boys. Here, Yogi.
You missed having to move the laser so we could get by.
Oh, there's a laser?
Apparently.
Oh, neat.
Thank you guys. Are you guys okay with it?
Oh yeah, we're doing good.
I think there's
This is quite a good maze. The boys seem to just... I think what I like is the boys are just continuing to explore. I think this is going to take us to a dead end.
just another table. Let me check for some. Yep. Yogi, you let us into another day. Sorry. Well, the last one wasn't a dead end. It was a sign.
That's right.
Sign dead end.
Well, I mean, you don't know until you get there.
That's right.
Yeah.
And dead ends are kind of cool.
Yeah, because the last dead end was awesome. Well, not this one. The one after that. I was dead end. 45 years. This is taking us forever.
You guys are good maze runners.
Okay, I'm a maze runner.
Well, when I say maze runner, I mean people who go through the maze, not... You still with me, Mommy? All right. I can hear them.
Hey guys, slow down. We can't see you.
Over here.
Oh, there you are.
There'll be one way. We're going.
I think we're getting close.
Stop at 2 ways.
I think we're getting close.
So the exit or the candy store.
It must be different for them, right? Because they can't see above the corn.
We got him. Candy corn. That's candy corn.
Candy corn sign.
Did you think it was the candy corn? Yeah. A line of it. Not that sign, but the other side. Can't believe we found the candy corn.
Which way are we going?
This way.
You sure? That takes us back deeper into the maze. Cary, Yogi, stop. I think this way.
There's other stuff to do, and we have to get going in a little while.
But we really want to go on the train.
I think this takes us closer back to where we're going, where we came from.
Actually, yeah.
we find the exit? You're in the maze for almost 11 minutes.
All right. Ruth is going to check on the animals. Do you guys want to check on them?
I want to go in the tube.
In the tubes. Which tubes?
Tommy's over there.
Off the tubes they went.
Tubes are very popular.
They are.
Very tubular.
So much tubes and so much straw.
Yep, I see it. So we got my second tube. I already did my second. I'm doing it. I'm going in. Hey, that's mine.
Hey, Cary.
I found the bouncy horses. I'm going to go with that tube now. I'm going to go with this tube. No.
Cary, you went in this one.
Hi, Yogi. I wasn't expecting you to come out of there.
I just went in that tank. Oh, here? Yeah,
Yeah, it used to be balls, Yogi. Now it's little horsies. I think they're probably too big, too small for you.
I gotta try.
I think they're a little too small. Hey, Yogi.
I've got to try this one. When I tried it. This is the garbage tube.
Oh, that's a great one.
I'm gonna exit this tube right now.
Exit this one.
God. I'm gonna exit this tube right now. Ready?
You doing all right?
Oh, this one.
Yogi's climbing around the edges.
I went in the lava a little bit. Wow. At least you found it. I'm trying to do this one outside. Okay. Okay. Cary, I'm not dying.
What I'll do is I'll go.
Cary, I'm coming. Cary, I threw some of my food over to you. I got it. Okay. Mommy, a lot of straw flowed into my eyes.
Yeah.
You all right?
You
Yeah.
might have to take the makeup off so you need to
Yeah.
get your eye cleaned up, okay? Okay. Try not to rub it though, because you're just going to get more glue in there.
I know. It is kind of forming.
Glue is forming?
Woo. Cary, next time I play Skylanders with you, do you want to defeat chaos again? Sure. Giants, Trapmasters, Skylanders, and then if I need
I haven't
to,
heard of it.
I'm gonna also bring Dark Spear Edition 2. It's the dragon dog. Spiral. Dark spiral and different
Is that a DJI?
It is.
Sweet.
Wagons.
And Cary, no, this is not the ride, and that's fine. The white one too. This is the pumpkin. I'm making it small. I'm gonna get a This one we're gonna carve.
That's our carbon one?
Yeah, this is our back one. This is the back body.
Okay.
Yeah, I accidentally got on this. Okay. Cary, guess what we're carving? We might actually want to carve more than one pumpkin.
Well, no more than 2 though, okay?
Well, that was a little bit misshapen, Lovey.
That was a little
I
funky
don't know
shaped.
about that one.
No, this is not the one for the bat. This is the one for the wings.
Well, okay.
And be careful, put it down gently. There we go.
It's very weird, though. Are you sure we want a weird one?
No.
You gotta be gentle with the pumpkins that you pick up.
I don't think so.
Actually, I think
Yeah, that one. This one. For the bat. Yeah, no, this one.
Alright, this is going to be your carbon pumpkin.
Oh, he's got a.
I can get it green. And it's heavy. There, how many pumpkins are in here?
Okay.
Actually, can I just get one more for to carve? No, that's not enough. That green one. Just one more.
You want to get a white one or something like that?
Yeah, one more.
Because you can do white ones and do white wings. That.
No, I want White Wing to be a vampire.
Okay, let's get a white one.
Cary, can you guess what we're carving? What? Bat. What is on this bat? Oh, I'll take the little white one. Oh my god. It's been squeezed. Oh, look at that. That one looks like it's been squeezed.
That does look like it's been squeezed.
What looks like it's complete?
This one, Cary, over here. This one, that one right there, looks like it's been squeezed.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, there's a cute little girl.
Carry up here, there's stairs.
You got it, Mommy, or do you want me to help? Oh, that's a big heavy one.
Cary, I'm getting 3 pumpkins. But this might seem weird. I'm grabbing 3 pumpkins, but I'm only doing 2 carving. I'm grabbing 3 pumpkins.
Hey, Yogi.
Oh, no, there's no. You can't climb up here. Oh, it's very, very difficult. There's stairs here.
You guys are cute.
Okay.
What 3 pumpkins are we
So
getting?
we're getting one to carve a bat, one of the orange ones, and another orange one is to carve the wings of a bat, and then the next one, the next one is for carving a ghost.
A what?
Ghost.
Oh.
Ghost! I heard it. Cary!
Shh, it's okay.
A bat, ghost, and I forget. I don't know the other one. Okay.
I like that, Yogi. That's a good idea.
Come see all our pumpkins. I'm only covering two, but why do I have three? Because one's gonna be a decoration. Nope. Oh.
Heavy.
Someone else is gonna carve one. Oh, that one looks like a jalapeno. And guess what? Cary, if you come over here, I just want to show you something. There's one that looks like a pen. Like almost. I know. I saw it.
Hey, Ruth. Good job.
Okay, steer a little bit toward Andy Karen, please. Thank you. Okay, that's good. Otherwise,
Where'd our boys go? I'll check our boys. All right, boys.